Namaste. Today we are doing side plank smiles. So we start out in our best tabletop. Make sure your hands are underneath the shoulders. Creases of the elbows or eyes of the elbows face each other. Melt the heart, super strong arms. Try to find this plank, neutral spine. Keep your pelvis in place, curling the toes if you can. We flip the left foot out. We extend the right foot back. We flex hard because we're going to balance on the inside of the right foot. We balance on this left arm. You could keep your hand on your hip if you need to. Eventually the arm comes up. It stays here or goes over. Inhale here. As we exhale, we make a fist and we just smile. So here's level one and just working on balance. Squeezing and keeping your alignment. Ears, shoulders, ribs, hips, all the way down. Adding on, we try to balance. Inhale here. Exhale, we rotate that knee and hip and see if we can do our little smile. Inhale, we lengthen and stretch. Exhale, balance and smile. Namaste.